Hi everyone, today we're on lesson 12.4 and we're going to do, the lesson is going to be on customary units of liquid volume. And the question asks, how can you use models to compare customary units of liquid volume? So let's get started. The bar bars below model the relationships among some units of a liquid volume. The largest units are gallons. The smallest units are fluid ounces. So I haven't showed you this part yet, but let's look at the over here. 1 cup, this is 1 cup, equals 8 fluid ounces. 1 pint equals 2 cups. So 2 cups are in 1 pint. 1 quart equals 4 cups. So here's this little bar model. They're saying 1 gallon. So 1 gallon, this whole thing is a gallon. So 1 gallon equals 2 half gallons, which makes sense. Half of a gallon would equal a whole gallon. 2 half gallons would equal a whole gallon. Quart. Think of kind of like a quarter. There's 4 quarts in 1 gallon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pints. 2 pints are in 1 quart. 4 pints are in a half a gallon. And 8 pints are in a whole gallon. Cups. 2 cups are in a pint. 4 cups are in a quart, just like what it says right here. And then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 are in a gallon, 16 cups. And then 8 fluid ounces are in each cup, just like what it said right there. All right. How does the size of a gallon compare to the size of a quart? So let's go back. It wants us to draw it here. Draw the relationship with a bar model. Show 1 gallon, show 1 quart. We all know how messy it can get. So I'm going to do it on the page before. We're going to shade 1 gallon and then we're going to shade 1 quart. So let me get my little shading. 1 gallon. Let me use a smaller size. Here's 1 gallon. So 1 gallon is this whole thing. And then 1 quart. Double check. Let's make sure that's what it said. 1 gallon. And then 1 quart. 1 quart. 1 gallon, 1 quart. All right, let's look back. So we didn't quite draw it. You could draw it on your paper, but I did not draw it because it would have been a mess probably. So now we're going to compare the size of 1 gallon to the size of 1 quart. So 1 gallon is blank times as much as 1 quart. 1 gallon is how many quarts does it take to make that gallon up? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 1 gallon is 4 times as much as 1 quart. All right. Let's go on to the next one. Let me pull the question out. Serena needs to make 3 gallons of lemonade for the lemonade sale. She has a powder mix that makes 350 fluid ounces of lemonade. How can she decide if she has enough powdered mix? So let's look right here. Let's underline first. How can she decide if she has enough powder mix? She wants 3 gallons She needs to make 3 gallons. She has a powder mix that makes 350 fluent ounces. So let's figure this out. 1 gallon equals how many cups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 1 gallon equals 16 cups. 1 cup equals how many fluent ounces? 1 cup, how many ounces? 1 cup, 8 ounces. 1 gallon equals how many cups? 1 gallon equals 16 cups. So you would have to do 16 cups times how many ounces? Each cup equals how many ounces? And if you have 16 of those, equals 8. So 16 times 8. Do the math. Push pause if you have to. You can always push pause during these videos and do the math. That is just so good. If you get it wrong, you get it wrong, then you'll know how to do it. So 1 gallon equals how many fluent ounces? 128. Nice job. So we're going to go to the next step on the next page. So we're going to make a table. Make a table to see if we have enough. So 1 gallon equals 128 fluent ounces. So 2 is going to equal, again, press pause. Figure this out on your own. 256. So 3 must equal, I hope you already figured this out before you're going to hear the answer. It's only going to help you. 384. Did you get it correct? Awesome job if you did. Very proud of you. So let's do the think again. We've done this before in the previous lessons. 1 gallon equals 128 fluent ounces. 2 gallons times 128 equals 256 fluent ounces. 3 gallons times 128 equals 384 fluent ounces. So now we're going to compare 350 fluent ounces, tongue twister for me, sorry, equals 350 fluent ounces. 3 gallons equals 384 fluent ounces. See how good my writing is. Not bad. Kind of big, but not bad. All right, so which is larger, 350 or 384? If you said 384, you are correct. So, Serena has enough mix to make 350 ounces. She needs to make 3 gallons of lemonade. 350 fluent ounces is more than or less than? If you said less, you are correct. Oh, not a good S, sorry. Let's fix that a little bit. Whoop, much better. So Serena, does she have enough or does she not have enough? She does not have sorry. She does not have enough to make 3 gallons of lemonade. All right. Let's look back and see what we learned. We made a table today. comparing gallons to ounces. We also looked at this model right here and we figured out, it didn't give us the exact answer, but we figured out if we added all these up or if we multiplied 16 times 8, we could figure out 1 gallon is equal to 128 fluid ounces. We didn't draw the bar model, we did that on this page. We highlighted 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts. We looked at the comparison chart right here also. So that is how we can make models to compare customary units of liquid volume. We just answered that question by looking at this model right here. We also have a model like this. And we also made a table right here. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. Bye, everyone.